With the Garden Path Maker mold you can create a gorgeous, cement, or red mud garden path to enhance the beauty of your outdoor space. This paving mold consists of irregular-shaped holes, which hold the cement slurry and allow you to smooth out the top by hand. Once your cement has dried, simply remove the loading mold and add stone sand or plant grass in the gaps. The end results are stunning and add an earthy and natural-looking stone element to your yard or garden. Suitable for gardens, meadows, balconies, villas, patios and more easy to operate. Ladies and children can also DIY their own garden creations. Mold can be used repeatedly or use multiple molds at the same time until footpath is complete. It's possible to make paths of different colors. Just blend preferred coloring pigment into the cement before pouring. No expensive equipment or laying costs. Practical and convenient, and you save money while adding to the charm and beauty of your yard or garden. Step-by-step instructions for using your Garden Path Maker mold. 1. Rake the area you want your stones in and place your mold down. 2. Prepare concrete in separate container. 3. Pour wet concrete into Maker mold. 4. Use board or other straight edge to smooth and even out the surface of your concrete. 5. While wet you can add any decorative items to your concrete: shells, foot or hand prints, rocks, colored glass, etc. 6. Trowel to smooth around added items, if necessary. 7. Allow to set overnight. 8. Remove Maker mold. 9. Add fill dust, stones, sand, gravel, etc. to the spaces in between and sweep clean.